South China Sea, the history of Huangyan Island told through maps. According to China Coast Guard's record, the Philippines has increased its entrances to the adjacent waters of Huangyan Island in the past 2 months. China's National Defense Ministry and Foreign Ministry opposes the Philippine Act and said the island has been part of Chinese territory. Our reporter Sen Ziwan examines maps approved by the Philippines government in 2006 and 2011, showing Huangyan Island is not marked as part of the country's territory. Multiple encounters between the China Coast Guard and the Philippines have thrust Huangyan Island in the South China Sea into the headlines, while other parties, including the US and India, attempt to complicate matters. It is important to examine the history of the waters. This is a copy of the national map published by the National Mapping and Resource Information Authority of the Philippines. It marks Huangyan Island outside its national territory. The political map of the Philippines, published and revised from 2008 to 2011, also excludes Huangyan Island from the territory. All these maps are certified by the National Mapping and Resource Information Authority of the Philippines. The narrative shifted when the Philippines amended the Philippine Territorial Sea Baselines Act in 2009 to incorporate Huangyan Island into its territory. However, the island remained beyond the boundary of the map ratified by the government in 2011. China has a well-documented history of discovery, reflected in the various names given to Huangyan Island over time. This dates back as early as 1279 during the Yuan dynasty, while internationally recognized documents in 1935 referred to it as Huangyan, and then Minju Jiao in 1947. The China Committee on Geographical Names standardized Huangyan Island as its name in 1983. Since 1997, the Philippines has shown intent to occupy the island, repeatedly dispatching warships and even inviting the US to participate. Experts say China has approached the issue with restraint while adhering to the law. Despite this, attempts to rewrite the historical record persist.